Filipinas. So today we're gonna unbox the shoes. It's the shoes inside. So unbox with you guys, and it's gonna wear it. I'm so excited. This is from Shein. So this is, guys, this is so cute. The box. And oh my gosh, this is too small. 35. See, a big shoe. Size 35. My size is size 35, but surely it will fit with me. So I think my size is 26. But 35.5, I'm not sure. It looks so small. So this is the shoes, so sexy, beautiful, oh my god. This is expensive, but there's that. Because I was thinking, oh my god, it's too simple design in this one. We'll see. The price of this is $45. I ordered some more of this, so I will see. Exactly my size. Oh my gosh. But this is good. Yeah, it's tight. I like it. I like it anyway. So, but it's only two. I ordered shoes 35 also. The green one is size 35. So this one I ordered also size 35. So I think I have to fold this up more. This is how it looks like, but this one is too loose. But yeah, the size is just good, and only the quality. I like the quality of this one. Only the strap is like cheap one, and this one is really loose. Loose in my crate. I need like this one, like this type. So I have to adjust that. But don't worry, I can tie it up. I can make it more tight. So now I know what to do. I got this one. More on here, and adjust again the other one. Adjust more like this. This. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. So sexy in a way. Exactly fit in my feet. It's like when I walk this one, it's like it breaks easily, but of course it's not gonna happen. That's not